Good afternoon, everybody. Teka lang, sige, nakabahan na ako eh. My name is Bon Jovi Burayag. I'm the second child of Mr. George and Mrs. Elvira Burayag. I was named after a band who called themselves Bon Jovi. They are very famous back then. Kasi as you all know, rocker si Papa, kaya halos kami magkakapatid, nakapangalan talaga sa rocker. Imagine nyo na lang kung sumikat agad yung boy band nun sa henerasyon ni Airpods. Baka naging pangalan na magkakapatid, Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, Westlife. Dahil yun. Parang mangyayari sa bahay nyo, yung Backstreet, tulungan naman ako sa assignment ko. Tapos sabi mo, sasabihin, kaya, ano ba yung assignment mo, Westlife? Parang gano'n. Pero thank you pa for giving me a very kick-ass name. Dala-dala ko to kahit saan. Salamat. I'm really happy to be here at my brother's wedding. And thank you to all the organizers of this event. Especially to our parents and to Mr. and Mrs. Reblado. By the way, Ate Minette and Mrs. Reblando, you two look very amazing and very pretty. And of course, Ma, saan ka ba? Ma, you look very fantastic and beautiful. Pero syempre, no need to mention, kita mo naman sa aming mga anak mo, the looks. And to all our relatives and guests, thank you for coming. Pinangarap kong mangyari talaga yung ganito, yung I can see all my relatives, both father side and mother side, celebrating in one special occasion. I really wanted this to happen because I want to see each and every one of my clan and tell them na, dang, I really came from a beautiful family. Me and my brother used to play a lot when we were still kids. May picture pa nga yan ng bata, naliligo kami, nakahubad siya. Hindi lang nilagay kanina, nahanap ko rin. Pinipiga niya yung damit niya habang naliligo. And as far as I know, he really liked chocolates back then kasi sa amin siya yung medyo sira-sira ang ngipin talaga. Tapos nung high school na, we fought and quarrel a lot of times. Away kami niyan dahil lang sa maliliit na bagay tulad ng panonood ng TV. Kumari, nauna ako manood ng TV. Nilipat niya, sasabihin ko siya, ba't nilipat mo na ako dito eh? Tapos, gano'n lang. Away na yun. Teka lang, nawala ako eh. Siguro, ano lang yun, dalala na yung maturity namin nun. But as far as I know, one thing that we didn't quarrel about is yung pagiging awesome and handsome ng magkapatid. Wala ulit ako, wait lang. Ma, when I was in Manila, nag-grow up ako ng sobra, and then it came to my mind na napaisip ako bigla. Sabi ko na dapat itanong ko sa'yo itong ngayong araw na to. Bakit di mo ko sinali sa That's My Boy nung bata pa ako? Hindi, totoo eh. Gusto ko rin sana eh. Sana may naka-artista sana ngayon. Baka siya hindi nakalista pa girlfriend ko ngayon. Hindi. Ba yan? Ang hirap pala dito. My big brother is really a good example. I could not ask for a better brother than him. He's a straightforward man, very intelligent. Ano ba yung sinasabi mo magaganda na nasa sabi ko dito? Hindi, pero joke lang yun. He's a very optimistic person, responsible, hardworking. Wala nga akong alam na kalokohan yan eh. Kahit isa.